Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to Kenneth Family. Today we're taking a look at this, the 2021 Lexus RX. We're gonna see if a Clek Liing as well as a Clek Foonf fits inside. So let's take a look. All right, welcome to the backseat of the Lexus RX here. As you can see, I have the base for the Liing installed on the passenger side, and I got the Foonf installed here behind the driver's side. Both were actually quite easy to install. There's two sets of lower anchors within this vehicle, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. As for the locations themselves, they're actually quite easy to get access to. They're just in between the cushions. And then for the upper anchors, they're just right behind their seats, and there's three across. One thing I do have to note, I only have two seats installed here in this vehicle. You can get three across, just depending on how they're arranged. I was told if you have one of these convertibles forward facing, it may be a little easier, but I actually had quite a bit of trouble putting the Foonf, Flow, as well as the Liing in here without, well, just all bunching into each other. So your mileage may vary. You definitely want to get that checked out before purchasing this vehicle. In any case, let's put the Liing inside just to show you just how much space there is overall. Installing the Liing itself is definitely not difficult. There's plenty of room as it is quite a high riding SUV. So not a lot of difficulties getting the Liing in itself. And that's how I'm able to put the Liing as well as the Foonf inside the second row of the Lexus RX. Yes, you can fit three, but it's just a little bit difficult to do so. If you are going to be fitting three across all the time, maybe take a look at the Highlander. It's very similar to the Lexus, but it's just a little bit wider, making things a little bit easier. In any case, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.